You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, right now, uh you if you have been following me up before since last year, you will know that I've made a lot of video concerning this platform called TDC Digital, and I have withdrawn a lot of time on this platform. So guys, recently this platform hot. They hot, so they don't operate anymore. So right now they have started again, and right now people are now making more money on this platform. Last year, when this platform was launched, I think this platform spent almost 4 months before they stop paying. So right now they have start again. They have start from where they stop again, and right now they are paying right now. As you can see right now, I am in level 2. I subscribe for level 2, and this is currently my earning for today. This is my current earning, my current balance. And right now I want to withdraw from this platform. But before I make my withdrawal, let me show you how this platform work. So to know how this platform work, go to product right here. Click on the product. So when you click on this product, you will see everything there, their products, their ways on how to make money on this platform. It might be small in your eyes, but believe me, this will still make this platform long last enough. For example, from here, their level 1 here, if you want to do their level 1, you need to deposit 5,000 naira to purchase their level 1 product, and that 5,000 naira will be giving you 400 and 240 naira every day. If you want to go for their level 2, the price is 10,000 naira, and this one will be giving you 500 naira every day. Their level 3 price is 30,000 naira, and this one will be giving you 1,540 every day. Like that, like that, like that. But to upgrade for upgraded level, this is how the upgraded level is. Their 5,000 naira VIP one will be making you 265 naira. Their 10,000 naira VIP 2 will be giving you 555 naira daily. Like that, like that, like that. If you look at it, you will see that it's the same price, but there is a way to upgrade to VIP 2 on this platform. There is a way to upgrade to their VIP 2. So right now, currently, you can see that my balance here is 1,958 naira, and I will be able to withdraw. Let me show you their minimum withdrawal. Let me show it to you. As you can see, their minimum withdrawal is 1,500 naira, and they will take a transaction fee of 10% of whatever you withdraw. Withdrawal is from Monday to Saturday, so you can withdraw at any time from Monday to Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, from Monday to Saturday. You can read everything. You can only withdraw once in a day. So if you want to withdraw to your USDT wallet or your normal Naira account, you can withdraw it. You can select it from here. Select it for here. Input your USDT for your bank. So right now, I have not bind my wallet address to this platform, and right now I want to bind my wallet address. You can withdraw directly to your bank, and you can withdraw directly to your USDT wallet. But as you all know, let me first show you how to do for your bank. So if you want to withdraw to your bank account, you will click on bank card management here. So after you click on it, you will now click on the plus sign at the top right here. Click on that top sign to input your information. So right now you will select your bank name. Select your bank name from here. So after you select your bank name, the bank card owner, that is the name on your bank account, then this place carries your bank account number. This place, you will input your bank account number here, then you will click on add. So after you click on add, that means you have bind your wallet, your bank account to this platform. So if you want to bind your USDT, if you want to use your USDT to withdraw, you click on the USDT wallet address here. Wallet address here, you click on it. So you click on the sign, then you will input your USDT TRC20 wallet address here. You will enter your rename here, enter your rename, then your USDT wallet address here, USDT TRC20 wallet address. So right now, let me do so. Let me go to my, I want to be withdrawing to my Trust wallet. Let me withdraw to my, you can withdraw to any wallet, any USDT wallet you have, but I want to withdraw to my Trust wallet. So this is my USDT TRC20 wallet. This is it, USDT TRC20. So right now you click on receive. After I click on that receive, then click on copy. Click on copy. So when you click on the copy, your wallet address has been copied. So go back to the site, put your name here, then paste your wallet address here. So right now, as you can see, I've pasted it, then put your name here, then click on add. So that is it. So I have bind my wallet address. As you can see, this is my total revenue on this platform already. This is my total revenue already. So I have bind my wallet address to this platform. So let's see something. Let's withdraw. Let's see if I'm going to receive the money or not, because I'm withdrawing to my USDT wallet. So I don't want to withdraw to my bank. You can withdraw to your bank if you like. So I want to withdraw 1,900. Now you will enter your transaction password. If you don't have transaction password, come back here, transaction password. So change transaction password. So this is it here. So you click on in here for your transaction password, input it there. Now input your transaction password here and confirm it. So that is it. So I have input my transaction password. So right now, let me make this withdraw. Let me make this withdraw. USDT 1,900. So 1,900 will be 2.28 after they deduct their own this thing there. I'm going to receive 1,710 after they deduct their 10%. So right now, input your transaction password. So now click confirm withdrawal. Successfully sent. So right now, as you can see, they have deducted the money from my account. I now have 58 naira left. Yeah. So right now, I will be waiting for the money to arrive into my wallet. So immediately I see, anytime I remember, I come back again and I see that I have received the money, I'm going to play this video again to let you guys know that the platform is paying, to let you guys know that this platform is still paying. So guys, just keep it touch and wait for me. Let me just pause the video for now. After waiting for some minutes, let me check again. Maybe they have sent the money. Maybe the withdrawal is now successful. If you want to check it, you click up here. So as you can see, guys, it's right success already. So right now, let me go to my Trust wallet. Here it is on my Trust wallet here. So here it is on my Trust wallet. I've already received it, 2.28. So guys, as you can see, they are paying. You can see it by yourself. They are paying. So guys, you can still try and go on with them. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. For now.